dan puan, selamat datang ke Majlis Rumah Terbuka Mr. DIY Raya Sama-Sama 2026.
Raya sama-sama mengucapkan selamat Hari Raya.
Malam ni kita nak celebrate our loyal customers. We would like to celebrate our friends of Mr. DIY as well. The heartbeat of every aisle, of every product, and every smile that Mr. DIY has shared over the years.
Hari Raya is a time that everybody get closer, which actually inspired our campaign, Raya Sama-Sama. It reflects who we are as a brand, affordable, accessible, and part of Malaysian life. I would also like to thank Alisata and also the locals for being part of the journey. We have committed to be part of every celebration, be it big or small, to everybody. So tonight is our way of saying thank you for your continued support. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Maaf zahir dan batin. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy and have a good night. Thank you so much.
Tawa yang lama hidup semula di jiwa. Satu keluarga menanti, itu yang buhara. Ku rasa cukup ada. Anak kecil berlari cari duit raya. Tak sempat makan lagi, hilang dah kemana. Dahulu suara atau satu kampung semua jadi kecoh. Raya sama-sama